Hi, Jim. How are you?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Did you work during the holidays?
Not much, but I had the flu.
What a shame. I'm glad you're feeling better.
Just in time to get back to work. I wish I could take another week off.
I know what you mean. I also need a morning off to take my daughter to see a specialist. I bet the boss won't be happy.
What's wrong with her?
She needs new glasses. The spare ones got broken too during the holidays. Are you working on Friday morning?
No, I'm doing the afternoon shift.
Do you think we might swap shifts? I can do the afternoon for you.
Let me check my diary. Looks like I'm free.
I do appreciate it, Jim. I'll let Susan know. Thank you so much.
No problem. Happy to help.
I owe you one. We can swap shifts anytime you need it.
All right, I'll let you know when I need it.
Hi, Tina. How are your exams going?
Not too bad. I've passed 3, but have 4 more.
When are you taking the statistics exam?
Next Tuesday, but I haven't had the chance to practice much. How about you?
I went to the lab twice last week.
How did it go? Did you figure out last year's problems?
I started the mock exam, but I still have 6 problems to solve.
Good for you. I haven't even started.
Why don't we take the rest of the mock exam together? It would save time if we split the problems.
I can only make it to the lab in the morning. I work in the afternoon.
No problem. I'm planning to go tomorrow and on Saturday.
Great. I'll be there at opening time. I also have some past papers. They are a couple of years old, but should be similar.
Cool. See you tomorrow then.
Yes, at 9. Oh, wait.
Yes?
Don't forget to bring the lecture notes. See you. Hi, this is a really nice pub. Do you happen to know how old it is?
Hi. As far as I know, it dates back to Tudor times.
Wow, I love old pubs. I've moved here recently and I'm having a look around.
This is a nice pub, not too crowded.
Any young people among the regulars?
Mostly in the evenings. They come in after work, just like you and me.
That sounds good. I'm Gina, by the way.
Bob, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Bob. Can I get you a drink?
I'll have some cider, thanks. Where do you come from? Newcastle area?
Well spotted. I guess there's no denying a Newcastle accent. And you, let me see. You sound Welsh, but I might be wrong.
I was born in the north, but I spent most of my life in Swansea. I moved here 3 years ago.
Let me get the drinks. What beer would you recommend? I'm not familiar with these.
If you like lager, try the house lager, my favorite.
Okay, I'll give it a try. And a cider for you.
That's right, thanks.
Could anybody help me?
What's the matter?
It's the copy machine. I think a piece of paper has been jammed somewhere. I just can't seem to find where.
And how many documents did you want to copy?
Well, only 2, but the second original document didn't come out of the feeder.
I see. I had this happen to me before. Maybe I can clear it for you.
Oh, that would be great. Thank you so much.
Well, I found the original document, but it's really stuck. I might tear it if I pull too hard.
Oh, that wouldn't be too good. Let me try it. I got it. What a relief.
How many copies do you want to make?
I need 10 copies of each document. Oh, but why is that light on?
That's the toner light. We'll need to put in a new cartridge before you can continue photocopying. I'll do that for you. Just let me get a new cartridge.
Thanks again. I owe you one.
Hi, Steve. Good to see you again.
Hello, Nancy. Thank you so much for putting me up. It'll be nice to catch up with you guys.
Our pleasure. What time is your job interview?
At 2:30, but I thought I'll leave in the morning with Mike.
Are you sure? He leaves very early. You are welcome to stay as long as you like.
I really don't want you to go to any more trouble.
No trouble at all. I've been working from home for a couple of months, so we can have lunch together. Let me show you around.
Lovely house. Have you moved here recently?
Yes, and we redecorated downstairs. The bedrooms will be done up in the summer. Not perfect yet, but I hope you'll find it cozy.
I'm sure. Don't worry about it.
There's a small guest bathroom next to your room if you would like to take a bath. The main bathroom is at the end of the corridor.
I'll be fine with the shower, thanks.
We normally have dinner at 8 when Mike is back, but if you're hungry, feel free to raid the kitchen. Would you like a drink?
Yes, please. Can I have an orange juice?
I'll get it for you. Oh, and don't forget to shut the bedroom door or you might find the cat in your bed.
Thanks. I'll unpack and join you in a minute.
Good morning, madam. Can I help you?
Yes, please. I would like a copy of this key. Unfortunately, my husband lost his bunch of keys and we don't have a spare key at home.
Well, let me check it. Okay. No problem. Fortunately, it's not a special type.
I'm glad to hear that. Can I wait for the key or shall I come back a bit later?
I can duplicate it in a minute. What kind of key would you like? We have got quite a selection of different designs and different materials.
I don't think design matters in this case. I would like a good, sturdy steel key that will last.
Are you sure you don't want to check out our nice designs? Our male customers usually choose this one with the motorcycle on it, or this car motive is very popular too.
I don't think my husband would care for either of them.
So, it's a traditional steel key then.
Oh yes, and a spare key too.
All right, that's £5 altogether. How would you like to pay?
Do you take cards?
Yes, of course. Shall I wrap the keys for you?
No thanks. I'll put them in my purse so that I won't lose them. Thank you.
You're welcome, madam. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye. Hi, Mom. Can you help? Josh has been crying for 2 hours and I don't know what to do.
2 hours? Continuously? Poor little thing.
Sort of. More like on and off, really.
Does he have a temperature? Have you checked for a rash?
His temperature is normal and there's no rash.
Is he teething?
I'm not sure. How can you tell?
Is he trying to cram his hands into his mouth? Or red cheeks?
He's kicking and screaming. I feel so bad I can't help him.
Could it be gas? Have you tried giving him herbal tea? What did he have for lunch?
A jar of baby food. That's not supposed to give him gas.
You can't go wrong with fennel tea. That's what I gave you when you had an upset tummy.
I'll try, but what if it doesn't work?
Then call the doctor. Better safe than sorry. And make yourself a cup of tea, too.
Okay, Mom. Thanks.
Do you want me to come over and help out? I'll take the car in case we need to go and see the doctor.
You know, our daughter, Lisa, is going to get married in July.
Everybody is very excited about her big day. We would like to ask you to be best man at the ceremony. Will you do it for us?
Oh, yes, with great pleasure. What's the exact date?
7th July. It's a Sunday. The wedding celebration will take place in our church, and then we will all go over to that nice new restaurant in the city center for the reception.
How many guests have you invited?
About 150. Lisa insisted on inviting all her classmates and friends, and Joe, her husband-to-be, has a lot of relatives. It will be a big traditional event with nieces and nephews as flower girls and ring bearers.
And I suppose your husband will escort Lisa down the aisle before the bride and the bridegroom exchange vows?
Of course, he can't wait. Lisa has chosen a gorgeous long lace dress with a veil, and she would like a bouquet of crimson carnations, her favorite flowers.
And what about wearing something old, something new, something borrowed, something blue? People think it will bring luck if you keep to this tradition.
Thank you for reminding me. I'll make sure she will remember it too. Though I'm not sure how to hide something blue on a white dress.
Will the newlyweds go on a honeymoon?
Yes, to Greece for 2 weeks. They both love the sea and the beach. They will leave the day after the wedding.
I wish them luck and happiness. Please contact me when you know all the details of the wedding so that I can prepare for the best man role in time.
I hear congratulations are in order. Anna, how are you doing?
Thanks. I am doing well. I need to talk to you about taking my maternity leave.
When is the baby due?
He is due in June, so I'm thinking of taking my maternity leave at the end of May and then hopefully another 3 months after he's born.
Okay, that is not a problem. As you know, we have an intern program with the local university, and those months would be perfect for a student. We can organize an intern to work with you during May, and she can cover most of your duties. What date do you think you will be able to return to work?
Probably the 1st of September.
That sounds good. So let us say the 1st of September as your return to work date, and if you have any problems over the summer, please contact me. I'm looking forward to seeing you again in September.
Thank you very much. And please keep in touch. If you or the intern need any help, don't hesitate to call me anytime.
Thank you, Anna. That's very kind of you.
Our little son has turned 6, so it's high time we decided which school to enroll him in. Can you help me decide?
Sure, but I don't know what to base our decision on. There's an elementary school just around the corner. It would be the easiest and the most convenient if he attended that school.
Well, it is not so simple. I would like him to learn at least one foreign language from the beginning, and in that school, they start teaching English only in 4th grade at age 10. It's a real waste of time. The sooner a child starts learning a language, the better.
I see. So that school is out of the question then. And what about sports? He's a very active little boy, and doing sports is just as important as learning languages.
Yes, I agree. But you know they have PE lessons every day nowadays in every school, and he can always go to training in the afternoons.
What else should we consider?
First of all, the teacher, who should be a very positive influence. First impressions decide how keen he will be on learning. I would like a teacher for him who is kind, intelligent, loves children, has a good sense of humor, and can be strict when it is needed. I know I ask for a lot, but I would like the best for Peter.
So we should start looking around. There are quite a lot of good schools in this town.
Yes, but distance is also an important factor. I would not like him to travel a lot. It is very tiring and takes a lot of time. Time is very precious, and I'd rather he spent the afternoons playing and having fun and not traveling.
Okay, I'll check out the schools nearby first on the internet. Then we can start visiting them. Personal impressions are always vital. And we should also take Peter with us.
Of course. After all, he will spend most of his days in school from September on, so it's just right to let him decide what is suitable for him and which teacher he likes.
Hello.
Hello, how can I help you?
I would like to take an English course.
Are you a tourist or are you staying longer?
I'm here for 3 weeks.
We have weekly courses for tourists. You can have lessons every day or 3 times a week.
What time are the lessons?
We have lessons every day from 9 to 11:30 or in the afternoon from 4:30 to 7. The other option is between 5 and 7:30 on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays.
I need conversation classes. What do you recommend?
If you can come every day, you can practice more. But all our courses focus on conversation, except if you want exam preparation.
How many students are there in a group?
Usually 5 or 6 students. But if you'd like private lessons, we can arrange that.
Is it possible to start the morning classes next week?
If you can wait 15 minutes, a teacher can assess your level, and then we can find a group for you.
Okay, no problem.
Hello, I'm Jessica. It looks like we're going to be flatmates.
Hello, it's nice to meet you. I'm Adam. I'm going to live in the smaller room. It's a nice flat, isn't it?
Yes, we're very lucky that we can rent it at such a bargain price. I hope we'll get along with each other.
Have you shared a flat with anybody before?
Yes, I have. And I had a really unpleasant experience with my flatmate. She was a lazy slob and didn't do any housework. That's why I want to discuss housework with you to prevent similar problems.
Well, I'm not a lazy slob, but this is my first time living on my own. I always helped my mom to do the housework, though. So I'm quite good at doing the washing up, for example. What would you like me to do?
Well, as for cleaning, everybody should clean their own room. We could take turns cleaning the living room and the bathroom. It would be your turn every second weekend. Do you like hoovering?
Yes, I do. Why are you asking?
Because that's something I hate. Could I ask you to do the hoovering in the living room every week? In exchange, it'll be my task to clean the bathroom.
Sure, I'll be happy to. What about the washing up?
Dirty dishes drive me crazy, so please don't leave anything in the sink. And no dirty socks lying about anywhere, please.
Of course not. I promise I'll be a good boy, and I hope that we will be good friends.